All right, ladies and gentlemen, here is your homework for tonight, rather. Find a fresh page in your journal, and this is going to be 5.6 homework. That's what you're going to label the title to be. I'm going to do one problem, and you're going to do one problem. Okay, the first problem that we're going to work on is find the equation of the parabola, find the quadratic function that has a vertex of -2, 1, and passes through the point 0, 3. So now we're going to set up our equation. Y equals a x minus h squared plus k. That's the equation that we need to use. You do not need to memorize this, but my very first step is to set up my table. X, y, h, k. X and y comes from my point 0, 3. H, k comes from my vertex, -2, 1. And now I plug my values in. Y equals a x minus h squared plus k. I love that I saw some of you who did this today. That's a great tool to do. Use the blanks and use your equation up here. Leave the a, that's what we're solving for. Y is 3, x is 0, h is -2, and k is 1. KCC applies in the middle here with our parentheses, which we have to do first because this is order of operations. So 3 equals a, 0 plus 2 is 2, squared plus 1. Now I do my exponents. 3 equals 2 squared is 4. That's my coefficient in front of my a, plus 1. Inverse operations to solve for a. Subtract 1 from both sides. 2 equals 4a, divided by 4, divided by 4, inverse operations. A equals 2 divided by 4, which is the same thing as 1/2. Then I have to substitute in my a value back into my equation. Y equals a, this is where I'm looking, 1/2 x minus -2 h, which becomes plus 2, squared plus 1, my k. That's my equation. You guys are going to do one on your own. Number 2, you'll show me this tomorrow. You're going to be doing one that has a vertex of -5, -3, and passes through the point -4, -6. You'll show your work down here. I'll be able to tell if you have the correct answer, and that's what you'll do.